What's happening, guys? It's myself, Liney Damps Plays. We're back with another unboxing video, and this is the SSD that I got off Amazon for a whopping bargain of 75 UK pounds, and wouldn't believe the size on it. So saw this bad boy on there and I thought I'd just purchase it to go in my HP laptop because I've already got a Samsung one in my gaming rig already, guys. So as you can see here, it's high performance, live US and Europe tech support. Okay, and it's got a 3-year warranty on it as well. So as you look here, you can see the drive type. It's a 2.5 inch SATA 3 6 gigabits per second, and it's 7mm thick as well, guys. So obviously this will definitely fit into a PS4, Xbox One, you name it, if you can actually get it to your Xbox One, because it is not very easy to actually change a hard drive in the Xbox One console. Unlike the PlayStation 4, it's a lot easier then. So yeah, and the power consumption is 2.0 watts, which is absolutely nothing at all. And the size of it is just like, I'm really happy with the capacity on it. It's 960 gigabytes, which is almost 1 terabyte. Okay, so let's open this thing up, shall we then, guys? Okay, as you can see, it's really sealed tight, so it's just a bit of a trouble just trying to get this box open. So I thought, I've never heard of these guys, PNY, so it's like an unfamiliar name that I've not even heard of. So I actually thought I'd give these guys a try then. But as you can see, we can take this thing out. Okay, it doesn't feel bad, it feels reasonable. It's kind of like got a plastic coating on it. And not only that, it's very light as well. Yeah, so solid state drives are the way to go if you're upgrading from a traditional mechanical hard drive, because nowadays hard drives are really slow. Unlike before, back in the days, you can get the fastest one of 10,000 RPM, which was the fastest. It's not even close to a solid state drive, but I wouldn't even go to a solid state hybrid drive. No point having a mixture of the two. Anyways, so that's about it, and we see how this bad boy performs then probably later on the channel, guys. But yeah, that's the unboxing done, and that's all it is to it. Nothing else in there. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Take care.